In this video, we're going to look at exponential equations and inequalities with like bases. So these first three problems are all equations. So let's take a look at these three. For the first one, we have 64 to the m plus 3 power equals 16, and we need to rewrite them as a like base because we can. It just makes things a little easier. So 16 would become 2 to the 4th power, and 64 is equivalent to 2 to the 6th power. Then you still have m plus 3 in the exponent place. So think about 2 to the 6th. We have to multiply the 6 times the m plus 3. So we end up with 2 to the 6m plus 18 power equals 2 to the 4th power. And then we have like bases, so we can just cancel those out and solve our exponents. So 6m plus 18 equals 4. We subtract 18, so we would get negative 14. And then we could divide by 6, so m would equal negative 14 over 6, which we could reduce to be negative 7 over 3. For the next example, we have 216 to the x minus 2 power equals 36 to the negative 3x power. So 216 is 6 cubed. Then you still have x minus 2. And 36 is 6 squared. And you still have negative 3x. So then we have to multiply our exponents. And so we would have 6 to the 3x minus 6 power equals 6 to the negative 6x power. Then we could cancel like bases and solve 3x minus 6 equals negative 6x. Then if we move 3x over, we'll deal with our negatives in just a second. We'll have negative 9x on that side. And then we can divide by negative 9. So x will equal, let's see, 2 over 3. And then our third example, we have 27 to the x power equals 1 over 81 to the 2x power. So 27 can be rewritten as 3 cubed. And 81 is equivalent to 3 to the 4th power. But then we want to move 3 to the 4th power to the numerator, so we make it a negative 4. And let's put our exponents together. So we have 3x on the left in our exponent, and we have negative 8x on the right. And then we can cancel our like bases and bring down 3x equals negative 8x. And then we can move terms to the same side. So let's add 8x. So we end up with 11x equals 0. And when we divide by 11, we just get x equals 0.